everybody, welcome back to another episode of Tips and Tricks Tuesdays. So today, as you can see, is the same day. I did this video right before I did my makeup. That's why I look a little plain. I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my head wrap. This is just one head wrap. I can also probably do another video of me doing head wrap styles if you would like to see that, obviously. But I'm about to show you how I do my edges and also how I care for my hair. If you haven't already, go check out my hair care routine. I'll leave it in the little eye on top and at the end of this video. I'm gonna show you guys me just using one product and how defined and soft my hair just gets just by using this one product. So my hair is not staying. It doesn't want to stay up in the head wrap. And if you want to see how I achieve this head wrap and how I do my edges for 4C natural hair, please keep on watching. Right now I'm using the leave-in conditioner. What I showed you guys in this video, just to like bring down my little sideburns, because they don't want to stay down. Oh child, I get so stupid. If you didn't know, and if you didn't see or notice by now, I'm doing a series on my channel. Every Monday, Tuesday, and Friday there will be an upload. So every 3 days out of the week you'll be getting a video from me. So I'm working extra hard on perfecting it and making it as enjoyable as it is for me making it, you know. I'm trying to make it enjoyable for you guys as well. Not too long either, because I know a lot of people don't really watch videos until the end, or they just skip parts of, you know what I'm talking about. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for 100 views on my hair care routine. If you would like to see more videos from me, don't forget to leave it in the comments down below to let me know what you would like to see next on my channel for any of the series. So yeah, I'll leave the schedule in my description box so you could check it out for yourself, and just, you know, save it so you could memorize the days that I will be popping up. Thank you so much for watching once again, and I'll see you in my next video on Friday.